Storage and travel lovers, say hello to the Smart Space Saver solution. I'm Gianna Corrales, I'm the owner of PG Creations, and today I want to present you the Space Saver roll bags. They are available on Amazon and they allow you to storage your clothes and pack more clothes in your luggage. They are coming in two sizes, medium and large size. And this is the way that you can storage your clothes and you can keep organize your closet and pack more and more clothes in your next trip.
Hi, my name is Maria Alejandra Vivas. Maso Tourist International is our family-owned business and we take you around the world. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm the owner of Casual Fashionista Shopper. I'm a personal shopper and I give personalized attention for those who want a new buying experience. So please free to contact me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Sylvia. I bake and sell these delicious gingerbread cookies during Christmas. If you're interested, you can contact me or find it at Ola Tea Store, located in North Miami, Florida.